Kani kadai ka Patisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka khubor baman kasngi, belawan rasyapi da ka rupa, bapentingan bat penbha.
Myntri Rangbah kejela Konrad ke sang mau la Khublei kerpang ya ke Shillong Press Club kabalong ke Shatri jeng inong thok khubor kejela Meghalaya kibala rakhe ya ke Jingïaid Lynti ke arpusan Snem ha ka kampat ha jingtip sya ki pat ba ling ba ki kot khubor bat ki television ha bakren kum kongsan ha ke Jingïaid kabalong ha Shillong Club ha ka sngi thot dieng jong ka teo baladep Myntri Rangbah lo pen pau ka jing sokhya ha lo ka jingjor palat ka jing sapriang ki khubor thok bat keren diauru halor ka jingjor si palat ki kamrunar ling ba ki kor internet ni ki cyber crime baru dah kenturu ye gilat pasai kubor ban pendep e ka kamram jongki harangkat kenong rem jong jingit kle.
Realizing that today's world is quite different and we have the advantage of technology with us, how we could use technology to ensure that the ideas, the work of the government, the different programs that we're doing, how it could be communicated to all of you. We have tried our best to go into the social angles also. And I'm happy to tell you it is working. And I think all of you have felt the difference also. Because it's much easier now. We've created a WhatsApp group, as was being mentioned. And this WhatsApp group is linked to most of you. If anybody is not there, please let us know. It's not that we are sidelining you, but it's just that we might not have information. But these are the ways things are changing now. And as a government and as a CM office, we are really trying to use technology to connect with all of you. And I think that's something that's really important. And today's, or this particular National Press Day's theme also happens to be about the digital age. Of course, it's talking about ethics, but I think in general, the digital age is something that is really powerful. And I think it is changing, of course, every aspect of life. In fact, I just want to go back to the discussion I was having this morning with Professor Solomon. He's a professor in Berkeley. And they are doing smart village programs in Andhra Pradesh, and they've just started in Arunachal, and the third state they're selecting is Meghalaya. And it was so interesting to see the way he was mentioning about how the digital age now is allowing all these kind of transformations to take place. I mean, a simple thing you've seen everything, whether it's Facebook or whether it's Airbnb or whether you talk of Uber, you know, it's all platform today. All of these platforms actually allowing the entire economy and ecology, entire system to change today. So you have like people like, you know, Jack who owns the Alibaba, and they don't produce anything, but yet they have 1 billion products on that platform. You know, Uber doesn't have a single taxi, but they have got the maximum number of taxis on that platform. You know, so things like that. Airbnb, they don't own a single hotel, but yet they provide the platform that is there. So this is the digital age that we're talking about. And today we're looking at how a platform could be created for villages to be, you know, put into a next level and connect them to the outside world. How digital technology could be used, and this is what this whole program is about. So it's so exciting the way the digital age and the digital economy is changing. There's so many positives to it, and I think even obviously the media sector also is changing equally. And I think as journalists, as press people, and as in fact individuals also, and as business people also, it is very important that we must realize and we must adapt to this digital change. And I think that does not mean that we change the way we used to do our media work. Print media will always be print media. I think that can never change. You know, the whole feeling of holding a paper in your hand and reading is completely different from the news that keeps coming and bombarding to you every day, you know, on your mobile, or every second on your mobile. But what I'm trying to say is that these are very exciting times. And what I want to say is that I think the opportunity that exists in the digital world today must also be harnessed by the press fraternity here. And I think there's a lot of work that is already being done, but I think you can do more in that. But having said that, yes, today the way in press and in journalism and in the media, we have a lot of issue of news that just, you know, fake news as you call it, that comes up. And I think that is of major concern. And I don't say it from my personal experience or anything about the government. I think in general, all over the world, we're seeing the impact of this. And I must thank Mr. Rangbah. He has given a very detailed presentation of the different laws that are available today and what could be in the future, the laws that are coming up, the IT acts that are to be amended. I think it gave us a great insight, what Mr. Rani has given us insight on how the digital world, the cyber crimes that are happening. And I think it's important that these areas also we work on and we move forward. But as I said, that so today we are seeing a lot of this kind of fake news that's going on. And I think if you ask me at the end of the day, it really is about what at one point Mr. Rani had mentioned. It is about awareness to the people. I think more and more awareness about these kind of things needs to be given. But more importantly, I should say, that it will start and it will end with each and every one of you. It is about being responsible in whatever you do. And I think this responsibility word is the most important word, whether it's for the people sitting on the chair as an official or as a politician or even as a journalist. And I think once we realize that what we put on the paper is something that is responsible, that we have to take responsibility for, I think that is when we will ensure that we can control this kind of fake news. Otherwise, it's very difficult. Even from any legal angle, the digital world is so dynamic that it's almost impossible to have any kind of a law that will be able to curb the entire thing. But I think when we realize that what we put on the news is something that is going to affect somebody's life, and if we are not careful about what we do, then I think it will be irresponsible. I think it starts with that. Number two, I think it starts with also the fact that you're not here to give news for 1 day or 2 days. You have to build up your reputation. You have to build up a system of trust. And I think trust is a very important word. When people lose the trust in a particular brand or lose the trust in a particular website or a particular newspaper, I think the matter ends out there, or in fact on a human being. So I think one must realize that when the news comes in, you have to realize that you're not here just for 1 day, but you're here to continue as a journalist in the system. And I think when these two things, these two ethics I should say, match, and you are responsible and you realize that you're here for the long term.
Nakaliang Myntri Ketnat Information and Public Relations upa Alexander L. Hek habakren kum usembut kongsan ulaong ba kibatrei hakakam pathai kubor bat kinong mikmat pai ba kidei banlong kinong te yakari bat kinong pathai kubor kidan kabenta kabakong san bha habe dei bakni uba hek ula kenturu ya kilat pathai kubor banlong kibapikir habatho iki kubor namar kidon ru iki kubor kibapensneu bat kumju kibala bonwanra ya kajing apher je penrio hakini kesngi lasam ru iki Snem chikinong job ya kijing kop nya bicycle karambut bat ilek kai futsal bala pelong kumsi benta bandrakhe ya kajing dap arpsan Snem ke Shillong Press Club.
What is the role of the press? The role of the media and also with the politicians, public representatives like us are the same thing. It is to building the nations. On which way to build the nations? We have two strong instruments. One is destructive instrument and one is constructive instrument. Which kind of instrument they are using for? That's depend on one individual, how you utilize this kind of instruments. Media are playing a very vital role in building the nations. But sometimes we also read the negative news, which is destructive news, which is dismantling the nation. Instead of building the nation, we are dismantling the nations. So that's depend how we can introspection ourselves, how individually we are evaluating our evaluations about the news before we reporting and also before publishing. That depends on every individual. What I just request to all of us was gathering here today has to be positiveness, has to be contributing for building the nations. If we are not contributing to build the nations, then we are not doing anything which is, for the benefit for people or the states or the country as a whole.